Yo, it is your boy G-Kid back at it again with another banger. Yo, this video, somebody requested, somebody sent me a message. They want to hear the Teggy start up and run. Do y'all even know if it really worked? How am I even driving it? Do you even know that's the one that's driving in the videos? I'm going to show you today. You're going to hear the Teggy run. And on top of that, I'm going to give you some revs in there, fam. I'm going to give you some revs in there. I might do a little bit of mixture or something like that. It's going to be a short video, but I definitely want to touch on some of the things that you guys have been telling me that y'all want to hear. So if you got any requests from the Teggy, like anything normal, like don't be telling your boy to be going up into a helicopter or a heliplane or something weird like that and take it off the back with a parachute and be flying out in the air, dog. I ain't got money like that. I ain't got the cheddar, bro. Can't do it. But if you need that fresh video, you're trying to hear some revs, you want to see a little quick, simple install, or you want to see how something works, let me know, fam. Let me know, because I'm going to show y'all how that look. Anyways, let's jump into the revs. Let's get into it. Let's get straight to the point. No playing around in this video. No playing around. I'm trying to get it straight to y'all. Let's get it done. Okay, so there it was for you. I basically told you the car sound like poo, bro. That junk is stock. This junk is 100% stock. If you want to know what a stock Integra GS sounded like, there it was for you. That's how it sounds, man. Hopefully later on we can improve on that. I don't know. We'll see. We'll see what happens. Who knows? Maybe I'll bring another car into the stable. Now, that'd be nice. That'd be real nice. Maybe if I did ever bring another car into the stable, it'd definitely have a lot more power than this one has. But I'm loving my Teggy, so can't get rid of that just yet. Anyways, that was the Teggy. That was how it sounded revving up for you. Bang, I'm hoping you liking that shit. Cause we coming at your head top with yet another one, baby. We at you again with another one. Anyways, it's your boy G-Kid from Live Fast, signing out again. Hit that like button, hit that subscribe button down below. Can't wait to see you in the next one. Peace.